If you think eating healthy means giving up delicious snacks, you're about to be shocked, because today we are diving into 11 incredibly satisfying snacks with absolutely no carbs and no sugar. These foods help burn fat, stabilize your hunger, and give you all-day energy without the crashes, cravings, or guilt. Whether you're trying to lose weight, control blood sugar, or simply eat cleaner, this list will completely upgrade the way you snack. So let's get started with some of the cleanest, tastiest, and healthiest zero-carb snacks you can enjoy anytime. Number 1. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are one of the simplest yet most powerful no-carb snacks you can incorporate into your daily routine. Each egg is loaded with complete proteins containing all 9 essential amino acids, which your body needs to build muscle, repair tissues, and keep your metabolism running efficiently. The rich, healthy fats in the yolk help stabilize appetite hormones, reduce cravings, and provide long-lasting energy without raising blood sugar. Eggs are also packed with vitamin B12, choline, selenium, and antioxidants like lutein, nutrients that support brain function, eye health, and a strong immune system. They're incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them with sea salt, chili flakes, or garlic powder, or combine them with zero-carb dips for added flavor. Prepare a batch at the start of the week, and you'll always have a clean, energizing snack ready whenever hunger hits. Number 2. Grilled chicken strips. Grilled chicken strips make an excellent zero-carb snack because they're high in lean protein, incredibly filling, and easy to prepare in bulk. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient, meaning it keeps you full longer than carbs or fats. This makes chicken strips ideal for preventing mindless snacking or late-night cravings. When seasoned with herbs like thyme, oregano, rosemary, or smoked paprika, chicken becomes flavorful without needing sugar-laden marinades. Chicken breast also supports muscle maintenance, metabolism, and immune strength thanks to its B vitamins and minerals. Keep a container of grilled strips in your fridge, and you'll always have a healthy, low-calorie snack within reach. Perfect for work, travel, gym days, or quick hunger moments. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really supports the channel. Number 3. Beef jerky. Beef jerky can be an incredible no-carb snack, as long as you choose a variety with no added sugars or syrups. High-quality jerky is loaded with protein and packed with nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all of which help your body produce energy, support muscle recovery, and boost metabolism. Jerky is also shelf-stable, making it the perfect portable snack for long days, road trips, work breaks, or outdoor activities. Its chewy texture slows down eating, helping you feel satisfied with smaller portions. Opt for jerky flavored only with salt, pepper, garlic, or natural smoke, avoiding brands that use honey, brown sugar, or corn syrup. With the right choice, jerky becomes a nutrient-dense, strong, savory snack that fits perfectly into a no-carb lifestyle. Number 4. Cheese slices. Cheese is a rich, creamy, indulgent snack that still contains zero carbs when you choose varieties like cheddar, Swiss, Gouda, and Parmesan. The combination of protein and healthy fats helps reduce appetite and stabilize energy levels, making cheese perfect for those moments when you're craving something salty or savory. Cheese also provides calcium, vitamin K2, and essential fatty acids that support bone strength, hormone balance, and brain health. Cutting cheese into cubes or slices makes snacking more convenient, and pairing it with herbs or olives can turn a simple snack into a gourmet experience. A few bites can deliver long-lasting satisfaction, helping you stay full and focused without reaching for sugary or carb-heavy foods. Number 5. Turkey roll-ups. Turkey roll-ups are a clean, protein-rich, carb-free snack that delivers a satisfying savory flavor without any sugar or additives. By using thin slices of roasted turkey breast, ideally nitrate-free and minimally processed, you get lean protein that helps stabilize hunger and fuel your muscles. Roll the slices tightly on their own, or wrap them around zero-carb fillings like pickles, cheese sticks, or leafy greens for added texture. Turkey is naturally rich in selenium, B vitamins, and amino acids that support energy, metabolism, and immune function. This snack is perfect for people who need something quick, portable, and high protein during busy days. And because turkey has a mild flavor, it pairs well with many herbs and seasonings, allowing for endless flavor combinations while still staying fully carb-free. Number 6. Cucumber slices. Cucumber slices are one of the simplest, cleanest, and most refreshing zero-carb snacks you can enjoy anytime. They're naturally hydrating, full of water, and incredibly low in calories, making them perfect for weight management and keeping your body energized throughout the day. While cucumbers are light, they provide a satisfying crunch that helps curb cravings for carb-heavy snacks like chips or crackers. Cucumbers also contain essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, potassium, and antioxidants, which support healthy bones, proper hydration, and overall wellness. The fiber in cucumbers, though subtle, slows digestion just enough to help you feel satisfied longer between meals. You can eat them plain for a super clean snack, or sprinkle a little sea salt, black pepper, or herbs like dill or parsley for extra flavor without adding any carbs or sugar. Cucumber slices are incredibly versatile and portable, perfect for work, school, or even a quick post-workout snack. They hydrate your body, provide crunch and texture, and keep your energy steady without any sugar spikes. This simple, refreshing snack is a must-have in any low-carb, no-sugar diet, proving that sometimes the healthiest snacks are also the simplest. Number 7. Avocado Slices. Avocado slices seasoned with salt, lemon, or chili flakes make an incredibly nourishing, refreshing snack that contains zero sugar and minimal carbs. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol, normalize blood pressure, and support hormone regulation. They're also packed with potassium, which helps reduce bloating and balance hydration. The fiber in avocados slows digestion, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. Adding lemon juice gives brightness and adds vitamin C, while salt enhances flavor and replenishes electrolytes. This snack is perfect for replacing carb-heavy crackers or chips, offering creaminess, flavor, and nutrition without any of the heaviness or sugar that traditional snacks cause. Number 8. Steak bites. Steak bites are a hearty, nutrient-dense, completely zero-carb snack that delivers a strong, savory flavor and a long-lasting feeling of fullness. Steak is rich in iron, zinc, creatine, and B vitamins, all of which support energy production, muscle strength, and a healthy metabolism. Preparing steak in small, bite-sized pieces lets you store them easily and enjoy them chilled or reheated throughout the week. Steak provides high-quality protein that supports lean muscle and stabilizes hunger, making it perfect for people who need a powerful snack between meals. With simple seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic, or rosemary, steak bites become a delicious, clean option that keeps cravings under control while fueling your body with essential nutrients. Number 9. Olives. Olives are one of the cleanest, most flavorful no-carb snacks you can enjoy. They're rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart health, improve digestion, and help keep blood sugar stable. Olives also provide vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect cells from damage and support healthy aging. Their salty, savory flavor satisfies cravings quickly, making them ideal for preventing overeating. You can enjoy olives on their own, or create a small olive mix with herbs, garlic, or zero-carb cheese cubes for added richness. Because olives digest slowly, even a small handful can keep you full for hours without affecting your blood sugar or energy levels. Number 10. Sardines. Sardines are an underrated superfood and one of the best zero-carb snacks you can add to your diet. They're incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, calcium, and protein, a nutrient combination that supports strong bones, heart health, and reduced inflammation. Sardines are one of the rare foods that provide both healthy fats and essential minerals in such high amounts, making them perfect for people following low-carb and sugar-free lifestyles. They come ready to eat, are easy to store, and can be paired with lemon, herbs, or zero-carb sauces for added flavor. Because sardines are highly satiating, they help control hunger and reduce cravings, making them ideal for midday snacking or post-workout recovery. Number 11. Shrimp. Shrimp is a light, clean, protein-packed snack that contains zero carbs and zero sugar. It's extremely low in calories but rich in essential nutrients such as selenium, iodine, and B vitamins that support thyroid function, energy production, and metabolic health. Shrimp is also a great source of lean protein that digests quickly yet still helps curb hunger, making it perfect for snacking between meals. For the best results, season cooked shrimp with lemon, salt, pepper, or herbs, all of which add flavor without adding carbs. Its refreshing, clean taste makes it a great snack after workouts, during hot weather, or anytime you need something light, satisfying, and nutritious. And there you have it, 11 of the healthiest snacks with absolutely no carbs and no sugar, each one delicious, filling, and perfect for supporting your energy, metabolism, and overall health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our new health and nutrition videos. And let me know in the comments which snack you want to try first, or if you'd like a part 2 with even more zero-carb snack ideas. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video.